This is where the journey begins.
Entering one of the world's most advanced and humane processing facilities.
My name is Adam Williams, and over the next hour, I'll guide you through every step of this precision-engineered operation.
From lairage to packaging, technology ensures safety, traceability, and efficiency at an unprecedented scale.
The process is swift, regulated, and designed with utmost respect for the animal and the final product. Let's begin.
Check that one right there.
I see it, pull it.
Okay, tool secure, torque set, tightening now. Check, all good.
We need to improve the throughput on step 3.
If we adjust the parameters here, the yield should increase significantly.
Muévanse a la siguiente sección, rápido.
Cuidado con el desague aquí.
We have an overheat warning on the main conduit, requesting flow rate adjustment.
This technique ensures we maximize the yield from the shoulder. As you can see on the board, optimal yield is the goal.
£1.2 under. 5.5 pounds target. 10.1 pounds over.
All right, let's get this shift started. Did you catch the game last night?
Nah, man, I was asleep. But yeah, let's hit it.
All clear!
Attention all staff. We have successfully achieved our quarterly safety goal. Thank you for your continued dedication to excellence.
Charlie, from living animal to safe, traceable food. It's a process powered not just by technology, but by the skill and dedication of every person you've seen today.
This modern pig meat factory represents a commitment to responsibility, scale, and feeding nations.
It's a complex human story on an industrial scale.